Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix pressing escape key open start menu Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under keyboard. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Ease of Access Center. Click Make the keyboard easier to use. Uncheck Turn on sticky keys. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click your keyboard, click Update Driver, click Browse my computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, see you next video.